Ready? Let's do it. Good morning. Good morning. I am so sorry to interrupt, but we have a really special announcement, and we really wanted to do it in front of your class.
Oh, okay. Well, most of them are here.
Okay?
That's fine.
Okay. I know how important this class time is. So students, if I could have your attention really quick. You probably noticed that there's a lot of us that just walked in the room. So every year we look around our school district. We have over 400 teachers, and they are world class. And we benefit from recruiting and retaining the world class staff. And out of those 400, we're trying to find the one that we can recognize that really represents the very best of the best of what we have in Arcadia. And what I mean by the best of the best is someone that just really lives out our values every day. And particularly what I've personally seen and what I know his colleagues have shared is that critical thinking, offering empathy, being creative, learning from failure, these are just things that are just a natural part of what Mr. Kelly does every day. I know how intentional he is, and his colleagues speak about how intentional he is about hands-on learning, making sure that your minds, as the students, your minds are connected with your body and what you're doing, and ensuring that you're getting those skills, and not just for the skills in middle school and being exposed to new things, but how are those things connected to the high school? And what are some of those pathways and what are some of those opportunities that you experience here are going to play out when you go to Arcadia High School? And then there's all these things that just go above and beyond, like building sets for plays and video production.
Good morning, Dana. Today we have an election, the winter dance, and a concert.
You name it, you guys know as much as I that Mr. Kelly is just always there for his colleagues, for his students. And so it is just really my honor and on behalf of our school board and our district to announce to you that our Teacher of the Year for Arcadia Unified Schools is your very own Mr. Kelly. Woo!
We are so lucky to have Mr. Kelly. I knew Mr. Kelly before I even came to Dana, and just all that he did here and then to see it in action is amazing. And I can't imagine if he was not here, how the things that we do every day would get done. We would have no Dana News. We'd have so many things that wouldn't happen. We're very, very lucky. One of my favorite things about Mr. Kelly is when I went to the high school with him in his field trip a couple years ago. So many of the kids at the high school ran over to Mr. Kelly and he was like a celebrity up there. They loved him up there because of his experience here at the middle school, and I'm sure you can all attest to just what a great person he is, because he's the one Teacher of the Year. Super well deserved. So
yeah.
Congratulations.
Woo!
I don't know. I'm shocked. I mean, it's a great place to be. I mean, I love coming to work every day. Every day is different. Every day is a challenge, and yeah, it's so much fun. I love what I do.
You want to introduce who's here?
Oh yeah, this is my wife, Shelley.
Ever since I knew him, I immediately was drawn to his enthusiasm for all the extracurriculars that take place on a middle school campus. He is the first one that will raise his hand to volunteer supporting other teachers. I've seen him do that with the production classes that we've had, all the audio and video stuff that takes place here at Dana Middle School. He always sets up for our dances, for our PTA events. He's here day and night. He's the first one that shows up and the last one to leave. He's here on the weekends. I remember I was always having to call the district office and say, hey, Paul Kelly's coming in on Saturdays to work. He connects so well with the kids too. I mean, I always find it amazing that through all the things that he does, he's so grounded in his relationships with the students.
Kelly.